Here in the side is where we have the Thermo mounted. This is the water heater for just the window cleaning. The window cleaning heater and the jet washing heater are completely independent systems, so one doesn't link to the other. When you want to use this is when it's heavily contaminated fascia cladding, where there's lots of green algae on the side. That's when you want to have the temperature right up. Similar when you've got a window that's a first clean, hasn't been cleaned in years, and it's covered in green or it's covered in dirt. The heat will allow you to get rid of the dirt a lot quicker and be a lot more efficient. In the winter, it's best to use just the warm feature. If the water's too hot on the cold windows, there can be issues of cracking, so it's always best to take precaution and put it on the warm feature. In the summer months, that's when you can use the hot either on windows or on fascia. Obviously in the winter months, if you want to use the hot on fascia, you don't have the same issue with cracking, so that's fine. In order to turn it on, you click power on. Only when the controller is turned on will the Thermo kick in. In the colder months, if the water drops below 2 degrees in this tank, the Thermo will kick in automatically to circulate water around, just to stop any freezing. It will circulate it around the pipe so that in the morning it's completely ready to go. If you come to your van in the morning and see steam or what appears to be smoke coming out the bottom, your van's not on fire, it's just that this has kicked in. It means that you're ready to go in the morning. In terms of maintenance on the Thermo, we've got the coolant tank at the top. Always keep an eye on this to make sure that there's enough coolant in there. The actual fuel source for this comes from the van fuel tank, so you don't need to worry about topping it up with any fuel, but just always make sure that the coolant is topped up to preserve it and make sure it lasts as long as possible.